Today again let's see some programs related to array. Yesterday we saw how to write program and initialize values using 1D array. Let's cover some more programs. Suppose we have 5 elements and we want to sort them. So how to go for that? For example, so these are the elements after sorting. First, the biggest one, yes, 43. If we want to arrange them in descending order, then if there is a ascending order, then first it comes 5, then it is 12, next 22, next 5, 12, 22, 32, and next is 43. Now how to write the program to sort these all the elements? We have different sorting algorithms. Let's use the simplest one, and that is called bubble sort. Okay, let's go for it. First, arrow file. Let's declare an array. For the temporary variable, let's declare temp. Okay, we need this one. Let's go first. Let's input elements for this array. Then the location comes on the loop. Okay, we have finished this, and suppose we have stored some values, as I'm going to show you in Word file. Okay, so this is a array, and here we have stored some values. Suppose the values are 32, then 1, 2, then 3, then 43, then 25. Okay, so these all are the values we have stored here. So this is in 0 location, this is in first location, this is in second location, this is in third location, and this is in fourth location. I got it. So what this sorting algorithm says that the equal bubble set, what it says that first of all you take this value, yes, take this value and just compare with this one. Yes, if it is greater than, like 32 is greater than 12, if it is greater than that, then swap it. Means 12 comes here in the first iteration, then 32 goes here. After that, what happens, this 12 is compared with the next location, that is 3. If it is greater than 3, again swap, means we have to take the 3 to this location and the 12 it goes here. In next iteration, again what we have to do there, this value is compared with this one, and same process we have to apply. Let's write the program, then we'll see with the help of table. Okay, we have finished the input. Now let's go for the sorting. We have to use nested loop for I equals to 0, I less than equals to 4, I plus plus. Now we have to go for the next loop for the comparison. Let's compare it now. If what we have to do first, look here in this is 0 location value we have to pick, yes, and to pick it we have to take the location from the first loop, yes. So if a I, if it is greater than means 0 location value is compared with all the values stored in that area, means 0 is compared with the 0 plus 1, then the 0 plus 2, then the 0 plus 3, then 0 plus 4, and so on. Yes, means we have to take the first value of location 0. So this is first we have to take, and we compare with this. Yes, let's compare it. If AI is greater than AJ, means 0 location, what we have 32, yes, we have 32 0 location, means if the 32 is greater than J is I plus 1, I plus 1 is 12, yes. If it is greater than, then 12 has to go in the first position, that first location, and 32 it has to be in second location, means we have to swap it. And for the swapping we have to use temporary variable, means we have to shift to next variable temp, and suppose that AI it is empty now, so AI it takes the value of AJ, and for a while suppose that now there is nothing in AJ, now AJ it takes the value of temporary variable, that is temp. Yes, if the condition is not true, then this swapping does not take place. If the condition is valid, then only it goes for execution. So in first iteration, when the value of I is 0, yes, when the value of I is 0, first 32 is compared with the 12. Let's break it down here. In the first iteration, what happens? 1 2 comes here, yes, 32 goes here, yes, 32 goes here. That's all. Next, what happens? Again, this 12, it is compared with the 3 when the value of I is 0. In that case only, then what happened? This is 3, this is 43, this is 25, yes. Now in same iteration, when the value of 0 is there, then what happens? Now this 12, it is compared with the 3, yes, same location, means for the 0, j is, for the 0, j is 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 3, it is compared there. So 12 is compared with the 3, 3 comes here, yes, 3 comes here, let's write it here, 3, then 32, then 12. Now this 3 is again compared with the 43, is it greater? No. 25? No. So first iteration done, first iteration done. Now what happens? Second iteration it does. In second iteration what happens? The value of I is 1. Now the comparison starts from here, this location. Now 32 is taken there. If the 32 is greater than 12, if the 32 is greater than 12, then 12 comes here, three is here. Then let's do copy and paste same table here. Okay. Now in second iteration what happens? From this location the comparison takes place. The 32 is here, 32 is greater than 12, so 12 comes here, 12 comes here, and 3 goes here, yes. Again this 12, it is compared with the 43, yes, yes, it is compared to 43. Is it greater? No. So it remains as it is there. Now 12 is compared to 25. Is it greater? No. 25 remains as it is there. Okay, so this is the final position of this 2, 3, 12, 32, 43 and 25. Next time I becomes 2, yes or no? 2 means from here, now comparison starts. Now again 32 is compared to 43. Is it greater? Is it greater? No, means it remains as it is there. Now 32 is greater than 25. Is it there? Yes. So what happens? 25, it goes here, it goes here, yeah, and 32 goes here, yes. Okay, so this iteration also done there. Now next time, in next iteration what happens? The value of I, it is 3, it is compared with the I plus j plus I plus 1, that is the value of j, and that is 32. Again 32, 43 is greater than 32, so what happens here? 32 comes here and 43 goes here. So this is how the comparison takes place, and after that the final sorted values we have to print it here. Let's save it. Six. Let's run it. let's give some values. Let's give this value we have taken here, 32, $12, 3, 43, 25. Yes. So look here, have you got the sorted? Yes, we have got the sorted values. Yes. We can compare both. Look here, first 3, then 12, then 25, then 32, then 43. So this is how the sorting is done in the 1D array, and we have some other algorithms also, and here we are using only bubble sorting as the simplest one. Okay, I hope you also know this one. विधान के छ समाचार? Okay, this was about the sorting. Okay, nothing more. Now let's go for next program, and next program is let's take a simple program. We can go for some more programs like sourcing, merging, and many others, deleting, inserting. Yes. Now let's see one more program. That is, we have an array, and that array contains some elements, and what we need there, we want to copy that all elements of that array to another array. How to go for that? So let's go for it. Very simple program. Let's write from same program from beginning. Let's go for the header file. Main let's declare an array. Suppose it has 5 elements there. Yes, we need next array here, so int, suppose that is b. Let's take a size 5. Obviously for the input we need counter variables here, I. Okay, first let's go for input. Let's go for scanf. What is the name of array? A. Location I. Okay, done. Input we have done here. Now what we need there, we have to copy these all the elements of this array A to another array, that is B. So how to copy that? So nothing more we have to do there. To copy that, we have to use simply same loop. Here is just copying now. Why to write same code again and again? Yes. Okay, we don't need this part. What do we need? We need only array where the values are stored, AI, and the value of AI, it is going to be transferred to next array, that is B. So B I equals to AI. That's all. Now let's print. Let's copy same array here. We don't need scanf. Let's remove from here. We need only elements. Let's print them. Now what is the name of array? B. Location I. That's all. Return. Save it. Okay, now let's run it and see that whether it is working or not. Going to run it. Let's give some elements here. 5 elements. 32, 1, 2, 3, 78. Look here, we have got the elements in the next array, that is B. So this is how it works, and nothing more we have to do here. I hope you also saw this one. It's very simple way to write the program. So anything you want to ask, you want to say? Okay, so these are all the simple programs we discussed yesterday and today. Now we are going to talk about multi-dimensional array and how that looks like. Let's go for short explanation here. So what is multi-dimensional array? A multi-dimensional array means if an array it has more than one subscript, looks like this one. If it is more than one, then that is multi-dimensional. Like it is having two, so this is for row, this is for column, then that is multi-dimensional. It is called third dimensional. Third dimension means it is having three index values, the first, second and third. So this is called multi-dimensional array, and so on. So multi-dimensional is useful when we want to write a program related to matrix, determinant, etc. So it is quite helpful there. And we should not think that actually this 2D array it is simply a matrix. It is called array of array, or array inside array, we can say that. So that is the main concept of this 2D. Now let's see some few programs related to that one, multi-dimensional array. Let's write some programs, and tomorrow again we will be writing some more programs related to this one. Header file, let's declare first array. Let's keep the size here 2 into 2. And how many elements now it is going to have there? Since it is for row and it is for the column, so total elements it will be storing is 4, because 2 row and 2 column means 2 into 2, that is 4. So altogether we will be having the 4 elements. Means let's give 4 elements here: 12, then 13, then 14, then 15. Okay. Now let's declare variable for the loop. We need 2 variables, yes, because one for row, this one, and one for the column, this one. Let's go for the loop. For this is for row. I'm writing comment here. Yes, and now we have to print the values. What is the name of array? A. And location, it comes from the inner and outer loop, so I, then J. Yes. Okay. Let's put return here now. Let's save it. Now will it work? Let's run it. If any bug comes, we'll see that. Okay, it is working, but it does not look like a matrix, yes or no? let's have some gap here. For that, what we can do here, let's put here 3D. Okay, now is it a matrix? Yes. So what is the meaning of this one? Let's answer that thoroughly. So this is the first row. Yes, this is the second row. First row means 0 location, row 0, and second row means R1. Yes. Similarly, first column 12 and 14. Yes, first column, that is 0 column we can say, and this is the next column 13 and 15, that is C1 we can say. Now what happens for this 0? For this 0 means for first row, that is this one, how many that inner loop it is going to run 2 times. Yes or no? First time this one, second time this one. Means what will the value of this 12? It will be 0 0. 0 means row 0, and next 0 means column 0. Yes or no? Now this one means same row, it is in same row, that is 0, but the next column, that is 1. Means for this value, this loop it is going to run 2 times. So 0 0, next time j becomes 1, so 0 1. So that's all. Now there is no further cell here, there is no column. Now next time what happens, I becomes 1. I becomes 1. When I becomes 1, what happens? Again the inner loop, that is j equals to 0 to 1, it runs 2 times. Yes or no? It runs 2 times. Look here. So again the 14 is displayed from here and the 15 is displayed from here. So what is the meaning of putting this printf and /n? It means after displaying this first row, yes, switch to next line. If we don't put, then what happens? The second row it would be in same line. Okay, you don't believe that? Okay, let's make it comment here. So look here, the next row it is in same line. Okay, there is a problem, and to overcome this we have used the printf/n for the next row. So this is how initialization is done. Another method for this one, it can be there. For first row, what we can do, we can put the inside the braces. This is first row, and for the next row we can put again braces. This one means this is for first row, this is for the second row. So there will be no problem in the output, we'll get the output. So is it there? Yes. Okay, thank you for today and joining me. Tomorrow again we will be talking some more programs related to multidimensional array, like the matrix, addition, subtraction, and many others, inputs, outputs. So just stay tuned and join me tomorrow. And if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, thank you, take care, see you tomorrow. Okay, you can tell your friends to join me if you're interested to recall everything. If not, you have answered everything, then fine there, no problem.